What's up, you guys? It's your girl Pi DuVal, aka and today we are entering Tutting World 1 Level 2. If you missed Level 1, click right here to go back and learn what we just learned. And the new combo goes like... Level 2, let's go! Now, if you remember correctly, we stopped right here at the right angle. From here, we're gonna flatten it out to here, keeping the fingertips to the elbows. I dream of Jeannie, ding! So we have right angles, drop it down. This is gonna be nice and slow. You're just gonna bring your hand up to a right angle like so. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. We're gonna drop it halfway down, keeping those right angles. 5, bring it behind that hand. 6, and you're gonna keep the fulcrum point right here in the center and close it back down to 2 flat arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, drop it down, bring it back, close it together. Use it. 5, 6, 7, and don't. Don't. Amazing. We're now gonna repeat on the left side. So the left hand will come up, dropping it down part way. Now slide this hand in front this time. The left hand actually slides in front both times, and then you're gonna close it again to flat. Let's try it with the counts. Up for 4, 3, 4, drop it 1, and close it together. So this part actually repeats again. So we're gonna bring the right hand up, drop it down, slide it together, and close. Left hand up, drop it down, slide it together, and close. It goes again, up, drop it down, together, close it up, and up, drop it down, bring it front and together. Okay, let's try that all together from the very, very, very top. Here we go, starting with the right hand coming straight up. 5, 6, 7, and boom, ba-da-da-dum, ba-ba-da-da, ba-da-da, boom, ba-da-ba-da, boom, ba-ba-da, boom, boom, ba-da-ba-da, ba-ba-da, ba-da-da, bum, 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 ba-dum, bum, ba-da-da-dum, ba-ba-da-da, ba-da-da, boom, ba-da-ba-da, boom, ba-ba-da, boom, boom, ba-da-ba-da, ba-ba-da, ba-da-da, bum, 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 ba-dum, bum. Yes! Let's do it again a little bit faster. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and Congratulations, you guys. We have passed level 2. Thank you. I can't believe we did it. Just kidding, I can believe it. Because you know, when you put your mind to something and you don't give up, you can accomplish anything. Stay tuned for World 1 Level 3. And don't forget to subscribe to The Dancer Life, a channel made by a dancer for dancers.